Okay, so I think 14 people. Okay, I think we can start another again. The people will be joining definitely. People is joining. Okay, so let me share my screen. This was the screen. Okay. So you have to fill a kind of gap. Basically, you have to create a kind of. Is everybody getting my voice and picture clear again? Can you please tell me in the chat box so that it does not become okay? Thank you. Just a minute. Two people are waiting in the chat box. Okay, they will be joining. Okay. So don't just chat. First, pre-qualify your customer by asking question. You keep chatting, okay, after 30 or 45 minutes, and then you come to know, okay, this person was a freebie seeker and he was just to get the information, or like he's not serious. He just wanted to get the information, and all this he wanted, nothing else he wanted. So you will be like, man, why did I waste my so much time? Like I could have done some productive thing. Obviously, you cannot judge anyone by whether this person is freebie seeker or a genuine person, but you have to ask. Like you don't have to, keep chatting with that person. All you have to do after answering the one or two question or three question, I would say ask some question. Okay, like what kind of question you can ask? Simply, okay, be very authentic, be very simple. Brother, are you serious? Like, ma'am, are you serious? If you are serious, all we can do is we can hop onto a call, and like if you think he's serious and have more doubts, if you're feeling in the conversation, just simply ask him to hop into a call. Okay, simply say, okay, I'm finding that you have more doubts. Can we schedule a call, like whatever the time you prefer? We can schedule a call and I will answer all your queries. In this manner, what you are doing first is you're saving your time and his time also. Then when he shares the room with you on the Zoom call, you can easily notice whether this person would be interested or not. Or when you ask, can we schedule a call, if that person is genuinely interested, serious, he will definitely book a call with you. Otherwise he'll say, okay, no, I'll just here for free things and I cannot book a call. Like he will make a kind of excuse. So you will come to know, okay, this is not a perfect customer, leave him. Okay, so don't just chat. First pre-qualify your customer by asking some questions. Okay, and yeah, also put some like whenever when he's going to book a call with you, also put some pre-qualifying question in your Calendly link as well. What is he doing currently? uh, what kind of money he's what is his current income? What is his desired role, sorry, goal? Okay, like how much money he want to make after 3 months, 5 months. If you offer something him, can he invest? Like don't say can he invest or not, simply say, okay, these are the graphs, $0 to $500, 500 to, let's say, $1,000. Just a minute. So 500 to $1,000, 1,000 to $2,000, according to your particular program or product, so that you can easily know, okay, what kind of mindset that particular person has. you know in the same way you are going to close the deal, in the same way you are going to pitch the particular product. It is not like the person have a mindset, okay, he have a money of investing $100 and you are representing $1,000 product to him. You are promoting, okay, join my coaching program, and just a minute, join my coaching program and it is worth $997. So whether first you pre-qualify that person, you come to know, okay, this kind of person, this person is, now I can pitch him in the same way. Okay, not pitching is not the right word, actually I'm just trying to make you understand. So Pritam is saying can't join, just a minute guys. Hmm, try again, log out and try. Okay, so put these question in your calendar link so that when you get the mail from that particular thing, you easily understand, okay, I have to book a call, I have to, I have to be in the call, or whether I don't have to be in the call. When you are on the, now it comes like, uh, okay, yeah, one more thing, like conversation part. See what most of the people does, even I used to do this thing. Suppose one person comes to you and he says, Rahul, I want to, okay, random message, or let's say hi, hello. And after this, he says, Rahul, I want to know about OFA, One Funnel Away Challenge. What would you do at this place? I want to know from all of you, like whoever is selling OFA, or not only OFA, just like whatever product you have. If I say, hey, I want to know about your particular product, so what would you say at that particular time? Like, will you tell him the everything about the product, or what will you do? I will ask his past experience, his journey. Okay, that's quite good. Okay, can I get more comments here so that I can know what people think? Like, if you are at the same place, person is asking, I want to know, like, you have this particular product, let's say OFA. So, Rahul, what is OFA? If they say, what you're gonna answer? I will ask him, okay, and what he wants to achieve, understanding his pain and problems. Okay, I was expecting this thing actually. That's quite like I used to do the same way. I think Pritam is not able to join the program. Understanding his past. Okay, so I let me tell you. So what kind of mistake we do? Understand this thing. When the person is saying, okay, I want Rahul, what is OFA? You should ask him, brother, how did you hear about OFA? He's asking you what is OFA. It means he have heard from somewhere, man. Understand this thing. Okay, you what most of the people say, they send kind of paragraph, they start asking questions. Okay, okay, so what is your past experience? Like, I'm not saying this is wrong, but not completely right. Okay, instead of that, first ask question, how did you come to know about this particular term? He might say, okay, I saw your post, there you have mentioned OFA. I saw one of my friend told me. Okay, and like I came to know from this particular thing. Okay, then you can start talking more, like you can start asking more questions, like, okay, so when you saw my post, or when you come to know about this particular term, guys, can anybody, like in the messenger group, can anybody comment to Pritam that Pritam can first he log out, or maybe like delete his recent apps, then he can join again. I don't know why it's not able to rejoin again. Is everything fine from my end? Okay, we shall continue. So when you have asked, okay, how did you hear about OFA? He might say, okay, I read you one of your posts, or I came to know about this thing from ClickFunnels, etc. Now, so what did you read in the post? What motivated you to ask me about OFA? Don't just reply, like don't just send him a kind of paragraph, or don't try to explain, okay, this is a 30 days program, Russell comes, Steve Larsen come, and this person comes and they start teaching you about funnel and all these things. First ask question, actually pre-qualify that person. So once you can easily notice, okay, this is the right person. Okay, so he might say, okay, like I saw this particular thing. So basically you have to pre-qualify, you have to ask the questions. Okay, don't just share all the things, otherwise you'll be sharing all the things, and might be this happened to me. There was a guy, he came to know, Rahul, what is OFA? I shared a kind of paragraph where I mentioned, okay, it is a 30 days program, Russell comes, you learn about sales funnel, all these things, blah blah blah. So what happened, he just copied that particular thing and pasted to his audience, the leads he had. Actually he was trying to get the particular answer from myself. So it might happen with you. So first pre-qualify that person. Now when he has booked a call with you, and when you both are on the call, what you have to do, actually it is the last part, so understand this very thing, like it is the closing part. And once you close the deal, it is like mm, just a minute, is Preetam here? Because I don't want anybody like to miss the session. Okay, so when you are in the Zoom call with that particular person, now again you have to ask some question. Okay, you have like first what you're gonna do, you're gonna do okay, hi, hello, okay, like greeting something. Then you have to ask some questions. Now these questions will be something different. What you're gonna do, you are gonna ask some question, you're gonna ask some question that you know the answer will come definitely yes. So how do you like ask some question like a random question like you know that this call will go for 20 minutes, he say yes. Then you ask some kind of another question, do you know about this particular thing, he again say yes. Do you know about like, you have to ask the questions in the manner so that somehow you get yes from that particular person. Now why I'm saying this, it is going to create a kind of pattern in his mind, that once when you will be at the position to pitch your offer, pitch your deal, or pitch your product basically, there will be a kind of spark that okay, I was saying yes, now he will automatically say yes. It happens basically, it's a kind of psychology. You have to create a kind of pattern here, so that yes, 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 in the seventh question he won't properly understand the question, but he will say yes, something kind of. I found this very interesting actually, so I thought to bring it here. Sometimes I try it, sometimes I don't. Like if I feel okay, I should try it, I try, otherwise I don't try. Be a good listener rather to be a good speaker. What most of the people do, they like, again, okay, Rahul, I want to know about how can I make money online. So person has asked this question. Now what you will be doing, you will be speaking to 30, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, explaining all the things how you are making money online. So you are not actually listening his problem. What you are doing, you're talking only. So better you become a good listener. First understand, first listen what he's trying to say, what is his actual problem. Okay, because sometimes it happens like person might be frustrated because he have a kind of he's frustrated because of his family, he's frustrated because of his friends or his spouse or like anybody. I guess so. You have to be actually calm down, you have to first understand what kind of problem that person has, be a listener, understand the problem, then you can proceed. Start with simple questions. Simple question means basically don't start with the high energy, like if you're on the Zoom call, okay, hi brother, how you doing, okay, and this call would be going for 30 minutes, you will be learning this much and I'll be telling you this much. Don't be a this kind of person. Be a very calm guy. Start with, hi brother, how are you doing, how's your week, how's your current day. Pamper him basically, him or her basically, whatever the person is. Figure out what is their current position and where they want to go. What is their current scenario, you can easily understand with the Calendly link. And also you have to ask this question in your like whatever the pitch you are going to create, whatever the question you are asking. So first try to understand what is their current situation. Okay, they are making $100, $1,000, $2,000, they want to reach out to $10,000, right? Then find the pain and gap your product can solve. Now you have to find the pain. Okay, this kind of pain that particular person has. Okay, so this might be anything like he has been sorry. So this might be anything like he has been pitched by so many people. This might be something like he is trying from the last 2 years, but still he's not getting the results. This is again a pain point. So you have to understand, okay, this is the pain point. Now this, you don't have to introduce your product right now, you just have to correlate the problem with the product you have. Okay, there's a problem with Preetham, I think. He is not able. Yeah, okay, now he's in the, I don't know why he's not able. He's, the guy is trying so much times. Okay, then ask permission and represent your product as a solution. It means offer him something. You have understood all the things. You have a great conversation. Now you're gonna say, okay, Rahul, what if I show you a thing that can easily transform your life? You're asking the permission. Definitely they will say yes, because they have the problem. They want they are looking for the solution. Okay, then you have to represent your product as the solution. Before that, don't say, okay, this is the particular product that can help you. You might be, their problem is something different, your product something different. I got a guy, he wanted to make money online using trading. Okay, like he was very interested in trading, and we had a conversation. There was my mistake. Basically, I did not ask him like what way he wants. Basically, we had a call, and he said, okay. I said, like, he told me that I want to make money online using trading. I said, but OF is not the trading thing. Like, he is not going to teach you the trading. So I did not push him the foot. I simply said, okay, like, we had this much conversation. We had like starting, I think 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we came to the conclusion that, okay, this is not the right fit product for him. So I did not pitch him. What I did, whatever the things I knew about trading, I just simply told him that you can do this kind of research, you can connect with these kind of people. I have a person connected with me, you can go to them. These are the things I did. I didn't pitch them. All I do is I do only recommendation when there's a need. You have to do the same thing. You are not going to convince that person, you are not going to sell the person. You are not a seller, you are a recommender. Then you can state your offer, tell them the price, and close the deal. That's very quite simple. Okay, it would be looking like a overwhelming thing, but once you keep practicing them, it will be very simple. You have to state them offer that, okay, this is my offer. Then tell them the price. Okay, that this is the price for this particular product. Don't hesitate that might be that I'm charging $597, $100, $200. Your product is $100, or he has said, okay, I can invest only $75, $50. Don't hesitate. Tell him the price. There might be some problem, there might be some obstacle that, okay, I'm issuing with the pricing. I can invest only 75, but you're saying it is $100. So that's the later part. Okay, you can easily convince, you can easily sort out the things, but tell him the price. Then simply you have to close the deal. Asking him, okay, like, if you are if you are as an affiliate marketer, so simply you'll share your affiliate link. But if you are like selling your particular service or courses or anything, you can simply say, okay, how would you like to pay, using Master or Visa, or using PayPal? So that's how you can easily know, okay, this person is going to pay with this kind of method. Share the link. Boom, you will be closing the deal. That's quite simple, guys. So that's completely all from my side. Till now, if you have enjoyed the session, day one might be it was like very first day. Day two, again, it was kind of, I was on the mood that I was still practicing. But day three, like this today, day three, I tried my best to prepare all the material I use or my mentor has told me. So this was everything I wanted to deliver. Just a minute. So how far you have found this workshop on the day one, day two, day three? I want to know your views, so that if you have found this good, if you have found this okay, worthy enough, if you have got some value out of this, then might be possible in the future I'll continue doing this kind of workshop so that I can impact more people's lives. Yes, this module was best. Thank you, Shalini. Thank you. It was your first time. You killed it. Thank you, bro. I enjoyed today's closing part. It was really helpful. Thank you, Shubham bhai. Thank you so much. You know what I see, what I personally feel, and my mentor says, if you have to grow, all you have to do is let people help to grow. Once they start growing, you will automatically be growing. So somewhere, somehow, it is not for you, it is for me. 3 days, one time, the very first time, it means I got confidence. I know how to deliver my content. I know how to uh, narrate the things. I know how to change people life, how to make them understand. So again, it is for me, you as well. It is a win-win situation. Awesome. There's a lot of things to learn. Awesome, Rahul. So much learning strategies. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the positive comments. Okay. So let's helpful. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next part. So now, who is the winner of the contest? On the day one, I said we have a contest here. It is not going to be just one way. It is going to be the two-way thing. You will be attending this. You will be hopping into the live. You will be submitting your assignments, all the things you will be doing, right? So now who's the winner? What do you think? Who's the winner? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the chats. If you think like, otherwise like you'll have no idea, but I love that you provided good list. Thank you so much. Who do you think will be the winner? If you get some idea, I know you will take your name, but still, Fatima and Shalini, okay, that's quite impression. Yeah, these guys were really like awesome. This contributed like in the messenger group and all that assignment. I was noticing everything, like who's that particular guy who's submitting the assignment at what particular time, all these things. At least 10 people will get this. Brother, that's not possible. I have only one prize, but I have something bet like more than that, this particular prize for all the people, as I like promised. I was supposed to say my name only. Okay, let's see. So who's the winner? Let's announce this. So let me stop sharing my screen. Then start sharing one more screen. Okay, I have to share the same screen. Actually, I forgot. Go to the escape mode. All right. Let's go to this picked wheel. So I was very confused who is the best, because all of you were awesome. Okay. But like on the day one, what I noticed, we had 18 people, and only like in the 12 hours, I gave a time period that within the 12 hours, you have to submit the assignment. You have to hop into the live. There's two criteria. You have to, help other people to submit their assignment, to solve their queries. So on the day one, I got only 12 assignment done by 10 a.m., like 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. basically, or let's say 12 p.m. I took the entire sheet on my laptop and I checked, okay, who are the persons. So 12 people did. On the day second, only 7 people did. So on the basis of that, I calculated all the things and I came up with this idea. Let's give it a try. Let's do this kind of thing. I put the 7 names here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, current 7 name here. So Bonnie, Shalini, Suraj, Shubham, Sarthak, Fatima, and Suma ma'am. These, like the winner, whoever is going to be winner, guys, understand one thing. It is not just about the winning thing. The main thing is you have got so much value and all of you are winner because you did the assignment, you hope into the live, you attended all the things. So all of you are winner. But I have to choose one winner. So these 7 people did all the criteria. So now we're gonna know who's the winner. Let's spin the wheel so that we can know. Okay. Great, man. Great, great, great. Sarthak, congratulations, bro, for winning the contest. Done. Now stop sharing. Let me take Sarthak here. Sarthak, where are you? Here. Sarthak, you can unmute yourself and you can come on the screen. Participant, let's check. How to take the particular kind of guy, I don't know. Okay. Sarthak, can you unmute yourself and can share the screen with us? And whatever the feeling you have, you can share us. You can share us with us. Sarthak, are you getting my voice? Bro, here's an electricity problem. Okay, 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 no issue. Just a minute. So one more time, congratulations, Arthur, for winning the contest. This was the very first try, so I tried the wheel, and on the basis of the criteria. In the next time, there will be more technological things, so there will be something like anybody can also win. Okay. So Sarthak cannot come live, but no issue. I'll deliver your products all with you. You can we are connected on the messenger, so we'll deliver the products. Now let's share one more time the screen. And as I promised, the presentation. Okay. So as I said, there will be one winner who will be receiving the 90 minutes call and the one book from Russell Brunson, not from Russell Brunson, Russell Brunson book. Sorry. So, but apart from that, for all of you, I have something very huge. All of you can claim that particular offer. None of you is like, there's no criteria, there's nothing. All of you can easily claim that particular offer. And that particular offer is more than actually, I have written down $2,000. Actually, I forgot to added this part, but it is actually more than $2,500. The price, the offer I'm going to give you. So if you want to know the offer, if you want to know, okay, let me add this guy. So if you want to know the offer, what Rahul is giving, you can simply type me in the comment so that I start revealing the offer. Guys, I'm very much excited for this offer. Like I was excited for the entire workshop. Me, sure. Thank you, bro. Yeah, you are excited. I can get so many comments. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Let's reveal the offer then. So my $2,500 worth offer is, let me put it here. The very first thing you're gonna get is, like as I mentioned, everybody can claim this offer. There's no criteria, there's nothing. You can claim this offer. So you're gonna get a one-to-one 90 minutes call, a lifetime. Lifetime means it is like whenever you need it, whenever you want. Okay, I'm stuck at this particular place. You can simply go to my calendar link, or you can simply DM me, Rahul, I want a call from you, and I want this discussion to be done. We'll hop on a call. It won't be like I'm going to give you only one call of a month, two call of a month, or one call of a week. No, whenever you need it, I'll be there, right? And it is worth $297 because I charge for my time. I know my time is precious. I know your time precious. That's basically the thing. Second is 4 weeks business setup coaching program. Whatever I told you in these 3 days, it was just basic. Seriously, it was just like these were the overview I tried to cover. But once you get into my group, once you get into the something, you will be getting the 8 session, 2 session of a week, 4 week business setup coaching program kind of. In this, you will be knowing, okay, how, like, I'll be telling you from scratch to the upper point, how you can easily scale up your business. I'll be sharing all the points I use, also my mentor does. Again, it is a, just a minute. So again, it is a worthing $497 because I have a private community there. Then I will give you one funnel away challenge, handwritten notes. It is completely my notes. I have done all the doodle points. See, you can see the sparkle pen here. So I still have this, like whatever notes I make, so I do sparkling with that and all these things I do. So you'll be getting the handwritten notes of 30 days challenge. Also, you will be like, if you're doing OFA and you'll be doing OFA, so it has 5 days session basically. From Monday to Friday, Russell Brunson comes and he teaches. So whatever he's going to teach, okay, we'll have a call, we will have a discussion on Saturday and Sunday, and we will discuss. It won't be like I'll be teaching you. We will be discussing. We'll be discussing that what you have learned in the 5 days, how to do the one pager, what is the implementation call, how to attempt your things, all the things. And it is again $297. Sorry. Then you will be getting a community support and accountability support from the private OFA group support, where my team will be there, and you will be getting all the support. What like accountability is mandatory. If somebody is there to handhold you, if somebody is there to guide you properly, that's completely like nobody can stop you. $297. Then Doug Boughton 5 days course creation challenge. I paid for this. You don't need to pay for this. Okay, you don't need to pay for this. You will be getting 5 days course creation challenge by Doug Boughton. It is a $497 price. Then Russell Brunson interview. You will not finding this on YouTube. Okay, it is like once you pay for this, only then you get it. So he had an interview with Doug Boughton where he shared all the things, how he does, how he brings audience, and all the things like how he whatever he did in the 20 years of his journey, how he built the ClickFunnels, all the things he have shared there. So you'll be getting that thing as well. It is like awesome things, guys. It is $197 price. Then I have some few extension. Link Wizard is there. Happy birthday extension is there. So it is a $97. Now, what do you think? Just a minute. Okay. So you will be getting, all of you will be getting these all the $2,500 worth offer. Okay. Now, it is not till here that you will be getting only these 5 or 6 things. Also, I have added some of the extra bonuses for action takers. I will tell you, like, it is up to you. Whatever the action you take, I'll give you something. And if you take the action right away, you'll be getting these bonuses as well. Okay. Now it is up to you whether you take the action or not. 1 month L Messenger Pro subscription, and it is a kind of lead generation tool. I have seen people, those who come online and those who are at the intermediate stage as well. They like I told you the lead generation part, but still that particular process takes time. It is not like 1 day thing, 2 day thing, or like 10 days thing. You need to keep working on that thing, but you need something automated, right? So L Messenger Pro is something automated. It will bring leads for you, 30 leads, 40 leads, 50 leads on the daily basis. Okay. And suppose if you get, let's say 40 leads per day, and on that monthly basis, how much you are going to get? 1200 leads. If only 10%, let's say 1% people come, 1% people convert to your offer, and your product worthing of let's say $50 or $100, you're gonna make $1,200. Seriously, like you can try this. You can. It is an amazing thing, man. It is a $47 price. Like if you check in the market, you'll finding it $47 per month. I'm giving you 1 month access completely free. Then one of the great thing for that I'm going to pay ClickFunnels session by guest speaker. If you attempt one funnel away challenge, and if you want to join the ClickFunnels community, you must be knowing what is ClickFunnels, how does ClickFunnels work, all these basic things, all these overview. Okay, so I'll just a minute. I'll be calling a guest here in my group. He will be delivering a 90-minute session to you where he will be concluding, he will be delivering all the content. What is ClickFunnels, how to use it, how to integrate all the things, what is the entire overview, what you can get out of ClickFunnels, right? How you can get most out of ClickFunnels, how people are using ClickFunnels. So again, like the $597 price I'm going to pay, but still you are going to get the offer. Okay, so this is my offer for all of you. All of you can easily claim this offer, right? Now, again, like there's a criteria, but all of you can easily claim this offer. Who is this offer for? So one who wants to start his business. If you are looking, if you are planning to start your business, I would definitely say this offer is for you. If you are stuck somewhere and have no idea where to start or where to go, this offer is for you. One who's already into business, want to scale up, or one that it does not matter whether you are into online business or offline business. I'll be holding all of your support, or I'll be giving all of the support. Okay, so again, this offer is for you. Now, to claim this offer, what you have to do? You have to visit this link, https://bit.ly new OFA challenge. It will redirect you to One Funnel Away challenge gateway. Now, what is One Funnel Away challenge? Most of you have known. Those who don't know, let me just briefly tell you. So, One Funnel Away challenge is a 30 days challenge by Russell Brunson. He's the founder of ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is more than $358 million worth company. You can Google it. Okay, so he's the founder. He comes every day live on a particular group. You get the access of the group where he delivers how you can start your own business, how you can make your own sales funnel, how you can leverage your business, how you can, if you are into any kind of business, how you can scale it to the next level. Okay, if you are stuck at somewhere, how you can easily modify the things, you can change some of the things, and then you can again do the business. Also, One Funnel Away challenge gives you an opportunity to make $100 instant commission on per sale that I'll be teaching you. Okay, I'll be teaching you how you can actually implement all the strategies I've told you, and how you can make, like, how you can easily recover your investment, how you can easily make a good amount of sale. Like, let's say if you make only 3 or 4 sales of a month, don't you think it is a good starting? It is a good starting. So that's completely One Funnel Away challenge. All you have to do, you have to visit this link, https://bit.ly UFA challenge. If you found this bonus worthy enough, if you found Rahul is a great guy, Rahul is a not great guy, Rahul is a good guy to start with, to come up with, I will definitely highly recommend to all the people. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you also, if you have any kind of doubt, within 2 minutes the session will be ending up. If you have any kind of doubt, all you can do is you can personally DM me. We can hop onto a call. If you have any kind of objection coming, we'll tackle it. Okay, so this is like, again, I can do. And if you take action today, tomorrow on Sunday, I'm going to provide a coaching on to my particular audience, those who have already taken the One Funnel Away challenge. It is like you will be adding in that particular group, and you will be knowing how to get most out of One Funnel Away challenge, right? So this is completely from my side. Let me just so let me do one more thing. Put this link in the comment box as well, so that all of you can easily access. Copy. Also, let me put it in the messenger group. So if you have, okay, till here, how did you find this session? Like, you have already told, I know. Refresh and they try to join again using the link. Achha, can't join. Okay. So I have put in the link in the here chat or here in the messenger group. If you prefer, if you find it worthy enough, you can. Okay. Does not matter whatever your current situation is. I'm taking guarantee. I'm going to handhold, and I like, you can take my words that you will be making good amount of money. Believe me. Okay. So within 1 minute, this session will be ending up. Actually, within I think 15 seconds. So that was all from my side, guys. If you have any kind of question, like, this session will be ending up. You can, if you have any kind of doubt, you can post in the messenger group, or if you want to reach out to me personally, you can reach out to me personally as well. We'll have a discussion, and we'll tackle down all the things. Okay. So let me take a screenshot here, so that, because all the 3 days I have not taken any screenshot. Sorry. Fatima, thank you, Rahul. Thank you so much, Fatima, for joining this session. And why is this not working? Okay, it is working. Let me have a screenshot here.